Meet David. He's 38, works in IT, lives a busy life, and for the past month he's had this nagging cough that just won't quit.
It started as a tickle in my throat after a cold, but it's been 4 weeks now. No fever, no weight loss, just this persistent dry cough.
When a cough lingers for more than 3 weeks, doctors call it subacute. More than 8 weeks, that's chronic. And at this point, it's time to look deeper. David's doctor starts with the most important step: a focused history and physical exam. Any red flags, blood in cough, weight loss, fever, TB exposure, smoking, cancer risk. David? None. What's so in healthy adults, the most common culprits are upper airway cough syndrome, formerly called postnasal drip, cough variant asthma, GERD, non-asthmatic, eosinophilic bronchitis. And let's not forget, medications like ACE inhibitors or environmental triggers. Since David had no red flags and looked well, his doctor tried empiric treatment, a safe trial based on the most likely cause. Option 1, a first-generation antihistamine and decongestant for postnasal drip. Option 2, an inhaled steroid if asthma was suspected. Option 3, or if David had acid reflux symptoms, a lifestyle change, and antacid plan. But what if that first treatment didn't work? Then it's time to dig deeper. A chest x-ray, spirometry to check lung function, and possibly refer to a specialist if the cough goes past 8 weeks. And parents, the rules are different for kids. Cough that lasts a month in children is already considered chronic. But if your child is otherwise healthy, no wheezing, fever, or breathing trouble, doctors often wait another 2 weeks. Why? Because most of these coughs go away on their own. In David's case, it was upper airway cough syndrome. After a week of antihistamines and nasal sprays, the cough faded. No invasive tests, no unnecessary medications, just evidence-based care. So if your cough lasts more than 4 weeks, or you develop shortness of breath or wheezy, don't ignore it. See your family doctor as soon as possible. If your shortness of breath is severe, go to hospital. Still coughing after 4 or 8 weeks, it's time to investigate further. Because sometimes what sounds like just a cough might be trying to tell you something. Subscribe for more real health stories based on science, simplified for you.